Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Samburu National Reserve in Kenya, Africa. So today, the Samburu Sopa Lodge is part of my world. Located inside the Samburu National Reserve in northern Kenya, Samburu Sopa Lodge is built atop high ground, allowing panoramic views of the vastness of Samburu shrubland and the hills beyond. So come with me and let's take a hotel and room tour. The coolness beneath the high ceiling of the circular grass thatched reception area and its adjacent boutique is a welcome respite from the outdoor heat of the equatorial sun. Like all the public areas in the main building, there are no windows and cooling breezes flow freely through the large spaces in the walls. The dining room is on a slightly higher level than the lounge, and it shares the totally open air atmosphere to allow you views over both the waterhole and the panoramic landscapes beyond. While artistically positioned wall niches house various forms of natural decorations and the furniture follows traditional designs, the curvaceous buffet tables and live cooking areas offer a wide selection of delicious fusions of different culinary disciplines, coupled with garden fresh fruits and vegetables for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Nearby, just between the lounge and the restaurant, is the waterhole, which offers a chance to see regular animal or avian visitors right in front of you. The lounge also has an extremely high ceiling, but by way of a complete contrast, this spacious, comfortable furnished area has no front or side walls. The tastefully decorated main bar is located against the rear wall of the lounge and is adjacent to the walkway and sunbathing area around the swimming pool. And with this being so open, then expect to find the odd little critter.
Thank you.
Running alongside the lounge and the bar area is this swimming pool, a pleasure in this arid semi-desert region with its dry heat and low humidity. Tiled with various shades of blue mosaic tiles and surrounded by a local flat stone sunbathing area, the large free-form pool with its adjoining children's pool, outdoor shower and sunken bar, as well as views over the waterhole, provides you with a perfect solution when you want to be outdoors but keep cool at the same time. Built to reflect the architectural heritage of the local communities, whose sons and daughters make up the majority of the workforce at the lodge. 15 cottages, each with 2 bedrooms, are built in an arch formation on either side of the public areas to surround the waterhole, but leaving a wide gap to allow the animals' free movement to the water. So come with me and let's check out the room. As you enter the main room, you can see that this room is of considerable size. Now just behind the door there's this quirky little do not disturb sign. The elephant represents asking for the room to be made up, and the sleeping lion represents a do not disturb. Now all the rooms at Samburu Sopa Lodge are identical. All have 2 twin double beds, complete with 4 poster and mosquito nets. But don't worry, during dinner there is a turn down service where the beds will be made up ready for a good night's sleep. All you need to do is fight your way in. Between the 2 double beds is a small bedside table, complete with UK plug sockets and light switches. As the electric generator is switched off for energy saving during the night, a torch is provided. As an additional courtesy, you're also given a card outlining your personal room attendant for the duration of your stay. At the far end of the room you can find a seated stone painted built-in dressing table and mirror with additional plug sockets, as well as detailed hotel information, tissues, and complimentary water, which was replaced daily. Next to this you have an open wardrobe with coat hangers, a complimentary umbrella for bad weather, and a hotel safe and laundry bag. And in the corner is the built-in luggage rack. Seating area for the patio is situated indoors, as well as complimentary slippers and a rubbish bin. Each room has its own exclusive patio overlooking the reserve. However, you are advised not to leave your door or windows open when you're not in the room, as local baboons have a habit of coming inside and making a mess. During the evening, as soon as it reaches dusk, you will need to be escorted to and from your room by hotel staff due to the risk of wild leopards who are free to roam the area. All rooms are en suite and are equipped with a walk-in shower, toilet and wash basin, as well as a large selection of towels. Complimentary toiletries are also supplied, as well as shower caps, soap, hand lotion and hand wash. And next to the wash basin is a shaver socket. The shower unit also contains body wash and shampoo. So now that I've settled into my room, I'm making a short walk back to the hotel for something to eat. Now it's a good job my windows are closed and my door is locked, because no sooner have I left my room than I come across those mischievous baboons. For lunch and dinner, there's a 3-course option here at the main restaurant. There's the option to have soup as a starter and a hot and cold buffet as your main course, including a large selection of desserts. Once you're finished, you can sit back and relax and take in all the activity of the waterhole. Now, believe it or not, there is certainly no resistance when it comes to getting up early to catch this beautiful sunrise over Kenya's landscape. A quick check on the animal wildlife around the waterhole and you're ready for breakfast with an egg and omelette station, hot and cold breakfast buffet, cereals, juices, pastries, the works, including a selection of hot drinks.
Extra.
That is batura made of like mandazi. Just fried like mandazi.
Thank you.
So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content, including my further African safari adventures at Stevie's World, UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World, UK.